up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles on this rainy day here in LA. Anyway, today we're doing some cool new radicals. Get what you give. Okay, so this is a great song, man. Very special, I think. We have a couple of different parts. We got the intro. That's super easy. Then we got the main verses. So that's two parts right there. And then we got the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus, and then we have the chorus, which is basically the same as the pre-chorus. They just start on a different chord. They just switch it around basically. So instead of starting on F sharp, it's starting on G. Alright, so let's get going. Enough talking. The song is in D, standard tuning. So we're gonna start doing this. This is 2nd fret on G and B string. So that's all you're playing when you're doing that, just down strokes. And then it's open G and 3rd fret B. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so when we start strumming, we have a D major 7 with a 9, something like that. We don't have a 3rd, so I don't know if we can call it a, yeah, we can call it a 7, I guess. Anyway, so same shape we did in the beginning with the, but now we're gonna add the open D string and open high E. And 2nd chord is some kind of C chord. So that's 3A, 2D, and 3B from the A string. The rest is open. So. On the A, 3 on the B. Play from low E. A sus. 2, 2, 3. A sus to A major. Sharp minor, and we can play it like this. We don't have to bar, I don't think. Sounds better. That's 4 starting on the A string, 4 4 2 open B, open E to this B chord. That's 2, no 3rd, that's just 2 4 4. And lift up the A string. So and now G major to A sus to A. with A sus to A major. Now for the big chorus, it's going to be the same chords, but instead of starting with F sharp, we're going to start with G and do the same thing. G major, A sus, F sharp minor, B, and on G, A minus 7. Very cool. And so an A minus 7, so that's 1 on B, 2 on D, to G. Second verse. E minor 7, A sus, A major, and then bridge, F sharp minor, B, A, G major, A sus. It's A sus, then chorus. F sharp, that's when we have the guitar solo, and so far all those parts has been the same. Here's the only difference for the guitar solo. A minus 7, G. Whatever that drill is there. And then he's gonna start singing over this. It's kind of like a verse with just some different chords. Last time, A sus to A major, just stay longer. And no bridge this time. This is the very end of the song. They're going to go straight to chorus. That's G major. A sus, F sharp minor. It's a fade. I think it's a fade. They just keep vamping that over and over. So cool. I guess it's not for beginners, but it's not that hard. So parts, the intro. Okay, and then the main verses. And then bridge starts on F sharp. Chorus, the other way around, starts on G. And then, after second chorus, we got that little guitar thing happening, which is the D chord to A minor 7 to G. Okay, cool guys, have fun with the song. Absolutely fantastic composition. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe and take it easy. Thank you.